Good morning this Thursday, the 20th of June. I'm Grady Wolfe, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street was closed on Wednesday for the Juneteenth holiday, which is a National Independence Day celebrated on the 19th of June every year. Investors will be eagerly awaiting the opening of trade on Thursday in the US, though, to see if Nvidia, the Nasdaq and S&P500 as a whole are able to maintain their respective record runs. In Europe overnight, markets in the region closed slightly lower, aside from the FTSE 100 in the UK, after UK inflation data came in at 2% for May, which is in line with the Bank of England's target. The Stoxx 600 fell 0.18% on Wednesday, Germany's DAX fell 0.1%, and the French CAC fell 0.77%. UK inflation for May hitting the Bank of England's target rate of 2% ahead of Thursday's policy rate decision, is timely, despite economists expecting the BOE to maintain the current rate of 5.25% for the month ahead before cutting in August. Across the Asian markets on Wednesday, it was a sea of green as energy stocks boosted the market to a positive close. Hong Kong's Hang Seng rose 2% on Wednesday, and Taiwan's weighted index topped a record over 23,000 for the first time. Japan's trade data for May, also out yesterday, showed exports grew 13.5% year on year, while imports grew 9.5%, with exports topping economists' expectations, while imports fell slightly short. Locally on Wednesday, the ASX 200 pulled back in afternoon trade to close 0.1% lower as a sell-off in industrials and telecom stocks offset gains among energy and consumer staples companies. A nuclear power plant promise from federal opposition leader Peter Dutton as a part of his election push boosted uranium miners yesterday, with Paladin Energy ending the day up 1.11%, Boss Energy climbed 2.2%, and Deep Yellow added 4.21%. Mortgage insurer Helia tanked 20.85% yesterday on news that CBA, which is Helia's biggest client, will potentially put its contract up for tender. This fall in the share price saw Helia lose almost 1/5 of its market value yesterday. Ahead of Thursday's session here on the ASX, the SPI futures are expecting the local market to open the day down 0.23%, extending on the midweek losses. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading down 0.28% to $81.34 a barrel. Gold is up 0.08% at $2,330.28 an ounce, and iron ore is up just 0.06% at $107.11 a tonne. One Aussie dollar is buying 67 US cents, 105.4 Japanese yen, 52.43 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has maintained a buy rating on Beach Energy and slightly decreased the 12-month price target on the Energy Exploration and Development Company following the release of the company's strategic review, including further cost reductions, more disciplined capital management, and growth focus on 3 core producing energy hubs. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on OM Holdings following the formation of a pattern over a period of 27 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of 46 cents per share to the range of 62 to 66 cents per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Thursday. Have a terrific day, and as always, happy investing.